Spicy family. This is the former Spicy lady, now the Badidz Paralejas YouTube channel travel vlog. I want to share with you my unboxing of my bags collection. Yeah, my bags collection are Lacoste. Yeah, and I bought this at Destin Comments, Florida. So here it is. I bought today my Lacoste bags collection. Yeah, I just bought this today. It's really sealed. Oops. So here it is, and this is www.lacoste.com. Yeah, and this is an envelope. So I gonna open what's inside. Oh, this is like a Lacoste, yeah, privilege card, yeah, in case I want to change. Yeah, and this item is originally sealed and good quality and will be accept returns from its website within 30 days of delivery. So I love this, and I bought this direct from the store, so I will hold this until I love it. Yeah, so I will put this one, and I gonna unbox my Lacoste collection bag. Yeah, so this is a safety protection, yeah, not to be scratched. So I just put this one here with this amazing envelope, privilege card, and here it is, my Lacoste collection bag. Yeah, and I'm gonna check again how's my new bag Lacoste collection, how beautiful it is. Yeah, the brand, the color itself, I will put in a bit. And here's the other Lacoste brand. Wow, so amazing, right? So this is my purchase item today at the very Destin Comments. So this is a traveling shoulder handy bag, yeah, which I plan to use when I travel Philippines, hopefully by February or this September. Yeah, because I'm already booked. So what's inside of my Lacoste bag is an extra pouch. Yeah, the real original Lacoste, very beautiful feature. Yeah, I can use this for my makeup kit or coins, yeah, or passport, or any like permanent residency card or future citizenship card. I don't know about citizenship yet. So this is the, in case I want to keep this. This is an extra pouch, Lacoste also. Yeah, so I can give this as a gift while traveling soon in the Philippines, or I'll keep this as my collection, and maybe one day I will sell this, you know, like second hand, yeah, at the right time. Yeah. So this is my Lacoste collection. Yeah, even when I was in the Philippines, this is my collection. Yeah. So here it is, my newly purchased Lacoste shoulder bag, sling bag with an extra pouch. Yeah, and this is what's inside. So this is if I use like, you know, like sling bag. Here is it. Yeah, so I gonna remove this. Yeah, this is very beautiful, but maybe I will remove once I use. So it's also very pinkish, very cute color. Yeah, very baby pink, yeah, rose pink. And here I'm gonna show you the price of my Lacoste Yeah, I really work hard for this, so I treat myself. I started collection, but not the LV, not the Hermes, because this is the only thing that I really love. From the bottom of my heart, not so heavy from the pocket. So the one that I bought is 148 US dollars. My part of my bag collection. Yeah, so I start vlogging my collection from bags. Yeah, so this is really my brand. Yeah, one by one. Yeah, this bag is I really gonna use this when I travel Philippines. Yeah, hopefully this coming September, if God allows. Yeah, no more quarantine, or by sure, let's see how's the situation because of this pandemic. So here's how beautiful my collection is. Yeah, and I love this. The color itself, very handy, very comfy to carry. Yeah, I can put this inside like this. Yeah, for the safety, if I have passport or maybe cards, ATM cards, my credit cards. Yeah, so this is how my collection. So I will not remove this first unless I have to travel, or until I gonna use this. So thank you. I hope you like my updated vlog about my bags collection. Yeah, it's not really like LV, Hermes. Yeah, but I love this, French fashion. Yeah, I love American, but my heart goes with Lacoste. So I'm trying to show you my collection. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Yeah, but it's about travel, not far, but maybe city by city. Yeah, not state by state because of the the strict rules at this moment. So I hope you enjoy my vlog, and after this, my mega shout outs to all my love subscribers. All of you I love, but I just maybe do shout out to 15 people. Yeah, and then the rest will follow for the next vlog. So I love you all, much love, and I hope you love my vlog. So this is my bags collection, Lacoste. I love you all, and this is Badidz Paralejas. Please thumbs up, click notification bell, or click to subscribe. Mwah! I love you all. See you. Yeah. Flowers. Wow. Super amazing. Yellow sunflower. Amazing. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Blooming flowers. Got already. This one. I have that already in my yard. Wow, I like the yellow. Beautiful. Super beautiful. Super beautiful. Bright orange sunflower. Yeah. Local sunflower ni sa ato ba in the Philippines. Yeah. And the price is 12 something dollars. Oh, that's the price. So blooming, beautiful, beautiful, amazing flower. So beautiful, gabi gabi.